Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English class. So let's continue with the chapter Tansin on page number 17. Shokan Mian had a bright idea. Shokan Mian, he was jealous of Tansin, so he had a bright idea to ruin him, means to destroy him. Let us make him sing Rag Deepak, he said. There is a rag, its name is Rag Deepak. So he said that let us make him sing Rag Deepak. How will that help us? Asked another man. Now another man asked that making him sing Rag Deepak, how will that help us to ruin him? If Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. See now how bad his idea was, that if someone who sings Rag Deepak properly, means correctly he sings the Rag Deepak, then the air becomes very hot and the singer who is singing this Rag Deepak is burned to ashes. He burns himself by singing Rag Deepak. See, such a bad idea, bad thought they had in mind. Tansen is a very good singer, and he said that Tansen is a very good singer, so he will sing this Rag very clearly. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will get rid of him. And if he sings Rag Deepak, he will die. Of course, he will burn himself, because Tansen was a very good singer and he knew how to sing this. And then we will get rid of him. We will get rid of Tansen. Shaukat Mian went to Akbar and said, "We don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let us test him. Tell him to sing Rag Deepak. Only the greatest singers can sing it properly." Now see their idea. They are trying to manipulate Raja Akbar. They went to him, to the king Akbar, and they said that we don't think that Tansen is a very good singer, because if he is a very good singer, then we can test. We want to test him. We want to take his test whether he is a very good singer or not, and we want him to sing Rag Deepak. Now what did they say? That only the very good singers, the greatest singers can sing Rag Deepak. Not everyone can sing. So we want to test Tansin whether he is a very good singer or not. So this was their idea of making Tansin sing this Rag Deepak. Of course, he can sing it. Now Akbar, without knowing what is the consequences of singing Rag Deepak, he said that okay, he can sing it. He didn't know what were the outcome of singing Rag Deepak. Tansin can sing anything. Then he said that Tansin can sing anything. Akbar said, Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. Now Tansen knew that what would happen if he sung Rag Deepak. Akbar did not knew this, but Tansen could not even disobey the king. Very well, my lord, he said. Now see what he did. He had to obey Lord Raja King Akbar, so he had to sing it. He could not disobey him, but he knew what would happen if he sung Rag Deepak. But give me time to prepare myself. Now he asked for some time, that give me some time, I will prepare myself to sing sing this Rag Deepak. Tansen went home. Now Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast and unhappy, and he was very unhappy because he knew he had to sing Rag Deepak, and what was going to happen when he sung Rag Deepak. I can sing the rag, he told his wife, but the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight, it will also burn me to ashes. Now he said to his wife that I can sing Rag Deepak very well, but it is not only going to light the Deepaks, but it is going to burn me also to ashes. सिर्फ दीपक जलने नहीं वाले हैं मेरे राग गाने से. इट इज़ गोइंग टू बर्न मी, मुझे भी जला के राग कर देगी. ही न्यू वॉट वॉज गोइंग टू हैपन व्हेन ही वॉज टू सिंग राग दीपक. सो दैट्स वाई ही वॉज वेरी टेंस, ही वॉज वेरी अनहैप्पी. Now see what will happen afterwards. Then he had an idea. Then Tansen had an idea. If someone sings Rag Megh at the same time, this and sings it properly, it will bring rain. Perhaps a daughter Saraswati and her friend Drupadi would do it, he said. Now he had an idea that I will sing Rag Deepak if the same time somebody sings Rag Megh at the same time, and that also properly, then it will bring rain. So as the atmosphere will get heated up, the rain will help to cool down the atmosphere and there would be no harm. So he said that our daughter Saraswati and her friend Drupadi would do it, and they both knew how to sing this very well, Rag Megh, so they would help him. He taught the two girls to sing Rag Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, "You must wait till the lamps start burning and then you start singing." And he gave them instructions that, and they practiced it day and night very well. Rag Megh. Rag Deepak Tansen had to sing, so he knew that. But Rag Megh, Rupati and Saraswati had to sing, so they were being trained very well to sing that. And he gave them instructions that as the wait when the Deepak's light, when the lamps are born, and then you have to sing Rag Megh. First let the lamps burn, and then as the lamps burn, you start you start the Rag Megh, singing Rag Megh. So this was what the instructions Tansen had given them. So see now what happens later on. The legend goes at that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. Now he went on the appointed day when he had to sing this, and the whole place, the whole town was assembled there to see what happens when he sing that. When he began to sing, the air became warm. As Tansen began to sing Rag Deepak, the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration, and they were all sweating. The air was so hot and everybody was sweating. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell onto the ground. The leaves it dried and it fell down on the ground. So much heat was caused by the Rag Deepak. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and water in the river, and birds fell dead on the ground because of the heat, and the water in the river began to boil, and the water in the river, it began to boil. See how much heat the Rag Deepak had caused. People cried out in terror as flames shoot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamp. And finally, and people cried because of so much of heat, and finally the lamp, it lighted from somewhere the flames came and it lighted the lamps. At once, Saraswati and Rupati began to sing Rag Megh, and they were given instructions as the lamp light, you have to start singing Rag Megh. So, as the lamps were lighted, Saraswati and Rupati began to sing Rag Megh. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. And as they sung Rag Dev, the cloud over the and the sky clouded, and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. Then Tansen was saved from burning into ashes. The story goes that he was very ill after that, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. And after singing Rag Deepak, Tansen was very sick because his body was exhausted. He was so much into heat. So he was sick after that, and Akbar was very sorry for making him sing that, because he didn't know what were the consequences of singing Rag Deepak. He punished Tansen's enemy, and he punished them who had given this idea. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoined. And after when Tansen got well, everybody was happy. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till in 1585 when he died, and till his death he was there in Akbar's court. He composed several new rags. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrims for musicians. It is a place of pilgrims for music who love music. So for them it is a pilgrim. Okay, so Tansen had composed many rags after that, and he was very famous, and he was a very good singer, that we can come to know when he sang Rag Deepak. And he is still known as he's also remembered today. Still today he is remembered as a very good singer. Okay, so just go through this chapter. If you have any problem, you're free to ask, and now you can go through the whole chapter because your chapter is over. Any kind of problem, any word that you are unable to understand, or any paragraph, you are free to ask. Okay, thank you.